Now today at the Singapore Stock Exchange, NEO stock price as I'm doing this video is trading at $7.60. Same goes to the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. NEO, it is trading at 59.45 HKD, which is equivalent to $7.60. Now this might mean that today, when the markets in the US today open, we might continue seeing the rally onto the NEO stock, which is something that is pretty exciting. This rally of today might result in us, I don't know, maybe seeing NEO going to $8, which will be caused because of the kind of performance we are seeing onto companies like NEO in terms of deliveries, in terms of how they are performing. I mean, you will know that yesterday NEO reported an all-time quarterly delivery record, which is something that fueled into NEO finishing the day or ending the day trading up 5%. This is what is causing the short squeeze of the share price, making it continue, of course, surging or rising, which is what we want to see. So this short squeeze might lead into NEO heading to double digits way before than what many of the investors are anticipating, which is something that is just so amazing, incredible to see NEO share price continuing to surge. I mean, it looks like the bulls are not willing to give up and let this stock go down again, which is something that is good to see to us, the new investors who are investing onto this stock for the longer term. So when I saw this today in the Singapore Stock Exchange, Hong Kong Stock Exchange, it made me think of what might happen in the New York Stock Exchange today when we look into our favorite stock, NEO. So I'm happy, I'm excited to see this, and I think blue sky is indeed coming. Those that were loading the boat when the NEO stock price was trading at the bottom of the belly will definitely be rewarded. The more performance or good performance we see from NEO is the more the market will continue to reward NEO stock price by making it rally or surge, which is something that is just so amazing. Hedge funds are in trouble. We discussed that yesterday because of the fact that they were shorting the NEO stock. They were bearish onto the NEO stock. Now they are ending up seeing margin calls onto their short selling positions, which is something that is always it's good to see, because then they will probably learn a lesson to say you can't always be wanting to short sell a stock, or you can't always be bearish on a stock, though we see some good improvements in terms of the fundamentals, which is something that is just so amazing, so incredible to see. So I'm happy, I'm excited about this rally that we are seeing, and I think it will also get transferred to the New York Stock Exchange today, which is something that we look forward to. So tell me what you think about this rally that we are seeing. I mean, in the streets of social media, I'm also witnessing or seeing that some of the new investors are really anticipating and looking forward to the market when the New York Stock Exchange opens today on our favorite stock, NEO. I'm hoping to see a rally continuing, because yesterday NEO, it closed trading over $7, which was a 5% gain, and we hope to see the gains continue coming, because as I've said, both Singapore and Hong Kong Stock Exchange, the share price wise, they are already trading around $7.60. So it will be good to see the US also following the surging that we are seeing onto the other stock exchange where NEO is also listed. So I'm happy, I'm excited. Just thought I'd give you this quick update of the short squeeze that we are seeing on NEO. Who knows, this month we might visit $10. At some point this month we might visit $10, because of the fact that NEO is a company that continues to do very well, and I don't see that slowing down anytime soon, which therefore the more NEO performs is the more they will be rewarded by the market, the more we'll have more bulls than bears, which is what we want to see, and that will result the share price of the stock, of the NEO stock, heading towards double digits. Double digits might come now in October, double digits might come in November. It might be like that, it might play out like that. The market has showed us that it is able to do some unexpected things, like so many people were not expecting NEO to be where it is right now, and to see it already trading over $7, it shows you that the $10 might also come when we least expect. So many people are expecting $10 to come by the end of the year, but let me tell you that it might come right now before December, now in October, November, we might see $10 coming, which will be so amazing and will reward those that were taking the low trading price as opportunities to load the boat, increase their holdings. Yesterday on one of the videos I posted, I was very excited, happy to say that there were so many people that took the low trading price to bring down their average onto NIO. There was a guy who said he took his average from $40 or over $40 to now $10, which just shows you the good opportunities that people saw and grabbed them. Me, I went from over $36. I'm now at $17.80, which again, it is because of the opportunities that I saw and took from the low trading price of the NIO stock. So yeah, man, I just thought I'd give you these quick updates before the US market can open today. Chances are we might see NIO share price continuing to rally, which is something that is just so amazing, so incredible to see because of what we are seeing in the other markets where NIO it's listed. So do your own due diligence before you buy NIO for the very first time. Regardless of what we are seeing in the market, it is always good that if you are buying a stock for the very first time, you do some due diligence, you do some background checks so that you are comfortable as you are investing onto this NIO stock, because let's face it, it is quite volatile and therefore you need to do some due diligence. I mean, just yesterday we saw NIO tanking at some point, I think almost 2% or around 2%, then finishing the day up 5%. It shows you the volatility that is onto this stock, which is something that, of course, for you not to panic sell, you need to at least have done some due diligence onto the stock and so that you are comfortable as you are investing, and take maybe some low trading price that we see on some days as opportunities to load the boat onto the stock and not panic sell. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.